Hey Fitry family, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common goals people have when it comes to their health and fitness: losing weight quickly and effectively. The truth is, there are countless diets out there that claim to be the best for quick fat loss. But, not all diets are created equal, and many of them are not based on scientific evidence. That's why we want to share with you a scientifically supported diet plan that can lead to effective and sustainable weight loss. First, let's define what we mean by effective and sustainable weight loss. Effective weight loss means that you're losing fat, rather than just water weight or muscle mass. Sustainable weight loss means that you're able to maintain the weight loss over time, rather than gaining it back. So, what are the key components of a scientifically supported diet plan for weight loss? This can be achieved by eating fewer calories, burning more calories through exercise, or a combination of both. Aim for at least 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help you achieve a caloric deficit without feeling deprived. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day. Timing of meals: eating at regular intervals can help you maintain a healthy weight. Eating a meal or snack every 3 to 4 hours can help keep your metabolism going. It's important to note that everyone's body is different and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to weight loss. However, following a diet that incorporates these principles will set you on the right path to effective and sustainable weight loss. Remember, quick weight loss is not always healthy weight loss. Crash diets and extreme measures may lead to short-term results, but they are not sustainable in the long run. The key is to make lifestyle changes that are sustainable over time. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of a scientifically supported diet plan for weight loss and encourages you to make healthier choices. Remember, consistency is key and we are here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips and tricks. And as always, stay fit and stay healthy.